The Primo replacement gasket kits are essential maintenance accessories designed specifically for the Kamado and oval ceramic grills. Ensuring a secure and airtight seal between the lid and base, these high-quality gasket kits are ideal for grill owners seeking to restore their grill's performance, prevent heat loss, and extend the life of their cooker. Crafted from durable materials that withstand high temperatures and frequent use, these gaskets are built to perform in even the most demanding grilling environments. Easy to install with adhesive backing and tailored to fit Primo models precisely, they help maintain consistent cooking temperatures, enhance flavor control, and reduce fuel consumption. Whether you're replacing worn seals or upgrading for better performance, these kits offer a reliable, cost-effective solution for dedicated Primo grill users who demand long-lasting results.